Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the heat transfer rate from the electric motor to the engine. The shaft output is 91 horsepower, the efficiency is 92%. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a spinning shaft, it's delivering heat to the engine. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. 92% efficient, 91 horsepower, and it is the heat transfer rate. So that is capital Q dot for heat transfer rate, and it's the heat transfer rate generated. Step 3, find the formula for heat transfer rate generation. So that is the electric motor power minus the mechanical output power. Power being the work flow rate in this case, which is W, which is the work, and then the dot being the flow rate. Step 4, find the electric power formula. In this case, it is the power of the shaft divided by the efficiency of the motor. So first of all, we need to take note that 1 horsepower is 0.746 kilowatts for mechanical imperial output. We'll need to know this for later on. Okay, so 91 horsepower divided by 0.92, which will give us 98.91 horsepower, and that is the electric power of the motor. Step 8, we can now find the heat transfer rate. So that is the electric motor power minus the mechanical shaft power. So 98.91 horsepower minus 91 horsepower, that is 7.91 horsepower multiplied by 0.746 kilowatts. So our heat transfer rate is 5.9 kilowatts. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar for Snipping Tool. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Once open, click on the video option, then click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button on Snipping Tool, and then wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.